Hey everyone! If you want to change the notification sound on Telegram for messages, groups, or channels on your iPhone, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Change sounds for all messages. This updates the default sound for every new message you receive. Open Telegram and tap the Settings tab in the bottom right. Select Notifications and Sounds. Tap on Private Chats, Groups, or Channels. In each group, tap Sound and pick your favorite from the list. Tap Done to save. Step 2. Change sound for a specific person. If you want a unique tone for a best friend or a family member, open the chat with that person, tap their profile name or photo at the top, tap the mute icon and select Customize. Scroll down and select a specific tone for them. Tap Done. Once selected, go back. Your new notification sound will be saved automatically. And that's how you change notification sounds on Telegram on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Telegram and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.